These are the 20 best espresso machines of 2024, and we're gonna rank each of them from God tier to trash tier. Links to all of these espresso machines mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus. This little powerhouse is seriously impressive. It pulls excellent espresso shots and has an automatic steam wand that creates microfoam like a dream. Super compact and user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. The only downside, you'll need to buy a separate grinder, but for the price and features, it's hard to beat. I'm definitely putting this bad boy in the great tier. Number 2. Jura EA8. Okay, so this one's a bit of a mixed bag. It looks sleek and makes decent espresso, but I'm not totally sold. The touchscreen can be finicky and the drink selection is kinda limited. Plus, the temperature of the drinks isn't always hot enough for my liking. It's got some cool features, but for the price, I expected more. I'm gonna have to drop this one in the good tier. Number 3. Kasa Bru's espresso machine. Alright, budget shoppers. This little machine is surprisingly decent for the price. It can make a pretty good espresso and has a professional steam wand. But let's be real. It's got its limitations. Only pressurized filter baskets and some build quality issues. It's great for beginners on a tight budget, but you'll probably outgrow it quickly if you get serious about espresso. I'm putting this in the average tier. Number 4. Breville Barista Express BES 870XL. Now we're talking. This all-in-one machine is a beast. Built-in grinder, pressure gauge, and it makes fantastic espresso. It's got a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be pulling shots like a pro. The steam wand is great for latte art too. It's been a top seller for years and I can see why. This baby's earned its spot in the great tier. Number 5. Kitchen8 Kees643. This machine looks like Kitchen8 took one of their famous stand mixers and morphed it into an espresso maker. It's pretty compact, which is great for small kitchens, but that water tank in the back might be a pain if you've got overhead cabinets. The 15-bar Italian pump and dual temperature sensors are nice touches, but I'm not blown away. It's decent for the price, but nothing extraordinary. I'm putting this one in the average tier. It'll get the job done, but it's not winning any awards. Number 6. Philips 3200 series Latteo. And now we're talking. This super automatic machine is a real workhorse. It's become my go-to for espresso, lattes, and regular coffee at home. The ceramic grinder with 12 adjustment levels is a nice touch, and the Latteo milk system is super easy to clean. Sure, it's a bit noisy, but the convenience factor is through the roof. For anyone who wants great coffee without the fuss, this is your machine. I'm feeling generous, this one's going in the good tier. Number 7. Bosch 800 series Vero Cafe. Oh, fancy. This high-end super automatic has all the bells and whistles. A huge touchscreen, integrated milk frother, and even app connectivity. You can make 36 different drinks with this thing. But here's the kicker. It's expensive as heck. And I'm not sure it brings anything truly unique to the table. It's like they threw every feature they could think of into one machine. If you've got cash to burn and love gadgets, go for it. But for most people, it's overkill. I'm placing this in the average tier. Impressive, but not necessarily practical. Number 8. Solid Barista Perfetta Plus. Don't let the reasonable price fool you. This little machine packs a punch. It's got a solid stainless steel construction that puts its leagues above entry-level machines. The pressure gauge isn't just for show, and you've got adjustable temperature settings and volumetric control. It's compact, user-friendly, and makes a mean espresso. My only gripe is the plastic group head, which might affect temperature stability. But for the price, it's hard to beat. This one's earned its spot in the good tier, a great balance of quality and value. Number 9. Decent DE1 Pro. Oh man, this machine is a game changer. It's got incredibly fast warm-up times, a small footprint, and the ability to pull amazing shots from even the trickiest light roasts. The tablet interface is super easy to navigate, and the steam function makes exceptional microfoam. I'm absolutely blown away by its performance and features. This bad boy is definitely going in the God tier. It's revolutionizing home espresso. Number 10. Revil Barista Touch Impress. Alright, let's talk about this fancy piece of tech. It's got a cool touchscreen that walks you through the brewing process like you're playing a video game. The assisted tamping and automatic milk texturing are great for beginners, but it might be a bit too automated for hardcore espresso enthusiasts. The milk volume guidance could be better though. I'm putting this one in the great tier. It's perfect for those who want great espresso without the learning curve. Number 11. Jura Z10. This machine is something else. It can make both hot and cold brew coffee at the push of a button. The cold brew feature isn't just a gimmick, it actually makes fantastic iced coffee. The build quality is top-notch and it offers a whopping 28 specialty coffees. The only downside? It's pretty pricey and the milk container is sold separately. But mainly for the quality and versatility. I've got to put this in the God tier. Number 12. Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Machine. Wow, Jura's really knocked it out of the park with this one. The E8 has an awesome Aroma G3 grinder, one of the best automatic milk systems I've seen, and the level of drink customization is insane. It's not just a pretty face either. The espresso and milk foam quality is outstanding. The only real drawback is the plastic housing, but for the price, it's a steal. I'm definitely placing this in the God tier. It's a fantastic all-rounder. Number 13. Goda Classic EVO Pro. This machine is a solid choice for espresso enthusiasts who want a reliable workhorse. It's got that classic Italian design and comes in some pretty sweet colors like cherry red and jungle green. The price point is decent, ranging from about $400 to $600, depending on where you snag it. I love that it's got a professional-grade portafilter and a powerful steam wand for those silky microfoam lattes. But heads up, it might take some practice to nail the perfect shot. I'm putting this bad boy in the grade tier because it's a fantastic entry-level machine that'll grow with you as you level up your barista skills. Number 14. Rilio Sylvia. Now, this is a machine that means business. The Sylvia's been a favorite among home baristas for years, and it's easy to see why. It's built like a tank with its iron frame and stainless steel panels. Prices vary quite a bit, from around $500 to $900, so shop around. What I love about this machine is its commercial-grade components and the ability to pull consistent shots once you get the hang of it. The steam power is insane too, perfect for latte art enthusiasts. However, you can be a bit temperamental and requires a good grinder to really shine. I'm slotting this into the grade tier as well. It's a beast of a machine that'll serve you well for years if you're willing to put in the effort. Number 15. Wakako Pico Portable Espresso Maker. Alright, let's switch gears to something totally different. This little gadget is for the espresso lovers on the go. It's tiny, portable, and surprisingly capable of pulling a decent shot. Price-wise, it's much more affordable than the big machines, ranging from about $105 to $245. What's cool is that it's compatible with ultra-fine grinds, so you're not sacrificing too much quality for portability. But let's be real, it's not going to replace a full-sized machine, and you'll need some arm strength to operate it manually. I'm putting this in the good tier because it's a nifty little device that serves its purpose well, but it's not going to give you that cafe quality experience at home. Number 16. Coffeeape Fedo. This machine is a real looker with its sleek design and a copper accents that add a touch of elegance to any kitchen counter. I love how easy it is to use. Just push a button and you've got espresso. The simplicity of operation is definitely one of its strongest points. The built-in grinder is super convenient, eliminating the need for a separate grinder and making the whole process more streamlined. However, I wish it had more grind settings to cater to different tastes and preferences. It's great for beginners who are just starting their espresso journey, but espresso snobs might find it lacking in controls and precision. The limited grind settings might not satisfy those who enjoy fine-tuning their coffee experience. I'm putting this in the good tier. It's solid and reliable, but not mind-blowing or exceptional in any specific area. Number 17. Espresso Pixie. Talk about compact. This little guy is perfect if you're short on counter space and need a machine that doesn't dominate your kitchen. It heats up crazy fast, reaching brewing temperature in a matter of seconds, and couldn't be simpler to use. Just pop in a capsule, press a button, and you're good to go. The coffee is decent, delivering a quick caffeine fix, but the crema is a bit weak for my taste, lacking the rich texture some coffee lovers crave. Oh, and heads up, it tends to drip after pouring, which can be a bit annoying if you're in a hurry. Still, for the convenience and size, especially for those with limited kitchen space or busy schedules, I'm slotting this into the good tier as well. It does what it's supposed to do efficiently, even if it doesn't excel in every area. Number 18. DeLonghi Stosa. Alright, this one's a bit of a mixed bag. It's super affordable and compact, which is great for those on a budget or with limited space. The manual milk frother is a nice touch for cappuccino lovers, allowing you to froth milk to your desired consistency. But let's be real, it's pretty basic and you'll need to push in some effort to get good results. It doesn't have the advanced features of more expensive models, so it might require some trial and error to perfect your brew. It's a decent starter machine for someone just getting into espresso. But don't expect miracles or professional level performance. I'm putting this in the average tier. It gets the job done, but there are better options out there if you're willing to invest a bit more money and time into your coffee making experience. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular best espresso machines of 2024. Links to all of these espresso machines will be in the description below. Do you agree with me on these rankings or not? Leave a comment down below and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.